Hello everybody, it's Gil Olana. I am going to discuss about how to send and receive Bitcoin to and from your Coins.ph digital wallet. In the first part of this video, I am going to demonstrate how to send BTC to an external wallet or an external account. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your BTC wallet. There you can see your wallet balance and the equivalent in peso. You see the send icon there with orange color. Click on that, and then you will be prompted immediately with this window here. Go to enter BTC address, click on that, and once you click on that, you will see a text box. It is where you paste the address of the external account, and then you need to copy the exact BTC address. Please make sure that you don't miss any character here. This is case sensitive. So copy it and then paste it back to the text box in the Coins.ph app. Click OK, and then now you're able to see and double check the external BTC wallet address on this page. The next thing you need to do is to enter the exact BTC amount on the text box. Do not commit a mistake with the amount of BTC and the recipient wallet address, because blockchain transactions are irreversible. Now next is to indicate what is it for. This is not optional, this is mandatory. In this case, we'll put just an SBLOCK. And then select medium. I usually select medium blockchain fee amount. It used to be low, but I had bad experience with choosing low blockchain fee amount. It took me 10 days before it reached the destination wallet. Then slide to confirm. Here you are required to enter the verification code sent to your email. So now check your email and enter the code here. In this case, we enter this code 888248. Success. Funds would be transferred. Click OK. And then now go to the history of your BTC wallet. Click history and check the transaction we just made. Here you can see the transaction that we have just made today. Sent money to 3NL, the amount of 0.03 BTC. Now we can click on that and see the details. We are actually waiting for the transaction to be posted on the blockchain by Coins.ph wallet. And once it is posted, you will see here external reference. Usually it takes around 5 minutes for it to be posted. So we will go back to the wallet, exit that, and then we'll wait. The 5 minutes has passed. Now we click again the history to check whether our transaction has been posted to the blockchain. And we click on that transaction. There it is, show external reference. So we click on external reference and check if it is confirmed or unconfirmed. So there you go. Now you can see the blockchain transaction details of your funds. It is still unconfirmed, but we will wait for a few minutes for it to have first confirmation. Once we see one confirmation, it means that a block has been created and included in the blockchain. For small amounts, it usually needs 2 to 3 confirmation before your fund will be received at the recipient address. Scrolling down here, you can see some of the details of the transaction: size, weight, fees per byte, so on. If you scroll, now we have to go back to the wallet. And what we're going to do now is to wait for our transaction to have 2 to 3 confirmations. Now that we have finished the first part, which is the sending process, we are going to proceed with the receiving process. How to receive from external wallet. This is pretty simple, guys. to receive funds from external wallet or external account, currently you need to know your Coins.ph BTC address. To know it, you have to click the receive icon here, and you will be prompted with this dialog box. So it says be sure to send only BTC to this address. You have to click show my BTC address. So what we have here is your Coins.ph BTC wallet address. You have two options to take the address. You can either scan the QR code or copy the address string directly. Your BTC address character string here is case sensitive, so copy the exact value. Do not alter, otherwise you will lose your funds. So now we click the copy button and try to paste it in the notes if it works. Paste. Yes, there it is. So there you go, guys. This is your BTC wallet address. Use this address unaltered for receiving funds from your external accounts. I think we have covered all, sending funds and receiving funds. Then we have to go back to our wallet again and exit this. There you go, guys. I hope you understand this short video of sending and receiving Bitcoin to and from your Coins.ph wallet. Thank you for watching.